Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one, I'm going to show you how I move from A minor pentatonic to A major pentatonic in just 2 frets. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and I'll be playing across a backing track that I put together with my looper that sounds a little bit like Stormy Monday. Now, if you want to learn Stormy Monday, use the link in the description below this video to take you to my Stormy Monday guitar tutorial. First, let me show you where I'm going to find the notes for my guitar solo. I'm going to go up to fret 10 on the B string, where we'll find an A. That's going to be our A root for both the major and the minor pentatonic scale. We'll play our A minor pentatonic scale and work our way up to that note like this. We'll start here at the D string, fret 7, the G string, fret 5, 7, 9, the B string, fret 8, and the B string, fret 10, back at A. So here it is. We'll pull our notes from that scale for our A minor pentatonic riffs. Now when we want to go to A major, we're going to play starting from the same place, A here at fret 7 on the A string, 7, 9, 11, that's on the D string, 7, 9, 11, the G string, 9, 11, and then the B string, 10. Okay, and we're back at the root again. So it's, and again the A minor pentatonic scale. See that? That's the only difference between those 2 scales. Our A minor scale was A, C, D, E, G, A. Our A major pentatonic scale was A, B, C sharp, E, F sharp, and A. Now we'll also add some other notes as we need to extend the scale out a little bit, like this. Stuff like that. And when we did the A minor pentatonic scale, so you want to add a few notes if you can. When you hear this A, you can go to the high E string here at fret 8 and 10. So, like that. When you're in the major pentatonic scale, you can play. So there's a lot of things you can do. Let's put on our backing track, and we're going to move from one scale to the other. Here we go. A minor pentatonic. We're going to keep it simple. we're going to go to A major pentatonic to get that B.B. King sound. Now that was at fret 12, bending it up on the B string, 10, 11 on the G string, and back. Here's our scale. Now let's move between the two scales like this. That was minor pentatonic. Major pentatonic. Minor. Add a major third. Minor. Major. Alright, let's work it a little bit. That was minor, major, minor, now the real difference between the two scales is right here at fret 10 and fret 12. See that? So easy. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I move from A minor pentatonic to A major pentatonic when I'm working a guitar solo across a basic blues backing track. Now you can do this in any key by moving it up or down the neck. That's all for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.